ang pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaan. ABS-CBN News and Current Affairs. Panig sa katotohanan. Panig sa bayan.
On the program tonight, I co-pilot a 6-seater plane from Caticlan to Cebu for real. Sports Unlimited travels to Mandaue City to be part of the very first Juan Miguel Zubiri Cup National Rodeo. Get ready to witness the guts, grit, and greatness of the Pinoy Cowboys. Some of the very best cowboys in the country are on Sports Unlimited right now. Let me tell you, when you are a host of a travel, adventure, sports show all rolled into one, your schedule can become very hectic. Often, we have to hop straight from one island to another. Like, to shoot this particular episode, we had to fly from Boracay to Cebu in a jiffy. So, a special 6-seater plane came to pick us up at the Caticlan Airport. And here's the even greater perk. I got to be the co-pilot of the plane, for real. Captain Mario was our personal pilot. He has been flying for 30 years. So we felt very safe with him. Well, all of us except one, my sister Jackie. All planes, big or small, give her the shakes. We all know that.
I won't tell my sister Jackie that I'm driving the plane.
Captain Mario took us up to about 9,500 feet. And then, to my big surprise, he says, it's my turn to fly the plane. He gave me full control and was just giving me verbal directions.
Captain Mario's teaching me how to turn left, right, go up, down, then you have to take bawin and konti. So now we're flying at 9,500 feet. Wait, I have to go up. I have to go up.
Oh, you're not going up, you're going down.
What an absolute thrill this was for me. I even got to fly the plane through the clouds. I was having a ball while Jackie was bombarding me with words that would easily get the TV briefs because she was so uneasy about me being in control of the plane while flying through the clouds. I could not care less. I was having too much fun, so my staff seated behind me said that Jackie had to resort to meditation. Too funny. We landed in Cebu safe and sound with Captain Mario and First Officer Diane Casillejo. Boy, that sounds good. I stepped out of the plane with such a natural high from the outstanding and unforgettable experience I just had in the sky. Thank you very much, Captain Mario. You definitely made my day.